same that you see on the winder. The equipment isn't customized to do any one particular thing. It fits a multitude of ranges. That is actually 8 motors being controlled by that drive line. And it's a little bit deceiving because it looks relatively large, but what you're doing right now is the incoming power that's not utilized is being regenerated back to McCormick Place. Okay? So every time this machine stops, it regenerates energy through what's called the active line module. So these two components here consist of a reactor, filter, and other devices to clean up the power that's coming in. And then, if there's energy that's left over, that's normally dissipated through like a braking resistor or transfer of heat, it's actually regenerated back to McCormick. And the same goes for that winder as well. So each time that roll stops, there's inertia that has built up. Well, it has to go somewhere. We don't have braking resistors on these machines.
So how did you arrange that?
There's a special wire that we have.
Haven't been an exhibitor here. That's always an interesting.
It is. It is. So relative to the ability to do that, you know, in a green manner, you think about the amount of energy that's typically wasted in braking resistors is a way for us to look at it, you know, after the installation is done, to say this is how much energy you're saving over time. So utilizing the drive system.
You say you can or can't?
You can.
Is that becoming a selling feature? I mean, is that something that's being the market's looking for? We need to save 25% or whatever?
What you traditionally hear about are high efficiency motors, things like that. Well, high efficiency motors are only one piece of it. Every motor nowadays is high efficiency. Okay? The part that we haven't tackled is the way to reduce the influence of the drives on the system. That means that causing fluctuations, you know, on the power supply, and then in addition to that, being able to feed it back onto the line are two things that are self-contained in there. So in that small package, again, that's 8 axes of control. These machines are kind of unique because of the fact that these drives on the model just above this generate a lot of heat. So that sheet metal around it would be a problem for most drive manufacturers. That drive is available with a liquid cooled vacuum. So it's pretty much self-contained. Actually the guys, this is Provisor Formax. This is their design. They utilize our drives and pretty much built the machine around it.
Much smaller footprint than the
oh, yeah.
model. Right, yeah.
That's good.
Big,